How's it going, everybody? How are you today? My name is Mike, and today we are going fishing. We'll get right to that once Ragtops gets here. We'll be here in a few minutes.
Came out here the other day. I literally had like, we're basically like outdoor flippers.
Yeah.
I got them from the mail.
Oh, I like, yeah.
But they're not 50 feet.
Uh-huh.
And I'm walking out here and I got about to here and I was like,
Ooh.
uh-oh. Well, it's gonna be fun. Then I got up here and fortunately the ice is still frozen pretty well. You guys can walk south.
Oh, yeah.
But,
I'm surprised this isn't more sloshy than, it will be, but.
okay. Well, it's just going to be a muck field out here for the first couple months.
Uh-huh.
Especially if it melts fast. I won't hold you up, but I won't drag you down. Oops, that gets me.
I'm gonna avoid that part. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, see, when I was out here on Tuesday, this was still all frozen up.
Oh, wow.
It was all
Yeah.
the way frozen to the point it was frozen, you know, kind of out through this, to the elbow. So.
Yeah, my girlfriend got me these last night. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna warn you right now, these are gonna get muddy tomorrow.
The only time they're going to be right.
Yeah, this is the last time you'll see them white. They'll be ivory by the end of the year.
All right. Well, it's as dingy as it gets out here.
Yeah, it's still, wow.
Not bad though.
No, you can still see pretty good. I'm surprised.
I was gonna go with some really, really red shit, but
Yeah, I'm not
sure that that's.
I
I was
brought-
talking to my buddy today. He's like, "Well, what colors are you bringing?" He's like, "You might get away with white." He's like, "I don't think you'll get away with anything red right now."
Yeah, maybe.
It gets pretty murky out there this time of year.
Yeah, it does.
This time of year it gets murky,
I did bring the A-rig.
but- You did?
Yeah, I might throw it on just because.
I think if we get out by that point, that A-rig might be the chicken.
Yeah.
If you get to that point, these guys are filming and know. So if you get to that point, you check right out there. There's a 7-pound fish out there.
Yeah, I know.
I'll bet, ooh, Mike, look down there.
You see fish?
I see movement.
Oh yeah. There's stuff moving around down there. I just don't know what it is yet.
You gotta slow it down.
Yeah.
Just crawl.
Yep. I'm going a little too fast with that A-rig right now. I tell you what, that FG knot I've been tying for my braid to leader.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so nice. I can't even notice. I don't even notice it's there. I'll have to show you here in a second. Looks really hard in a diagram, but if you find a good video and just take the time to learn it.
Right. Oh, wow.
Basically, all it does is a bunch of wraps. I put 22 wraps on there.
Holy shit.
And then at the very end, it's just 2 hitch knots, 2 or 3 hitch knots. And it basically bites down in that leader line. All those wraps hang on to it. But it goes through the guides like it's not even there.
Interesting. I might have to check that out.
It took me 8 tries.
That's the one argument I have with the uni.
Yeah, always gets,
It's got a ridge.
yeah. This is like it's not even there.
Huh.
It took me like 8 tries to learn it, but
I'm gonna have to check that out.
it's worth learning. Oh, maybe we'll try the jerk bait. Still got my cheapo reel on here. Gonna try down there?
Yeah. That was the first area I saw. Might open it.
I feel like it's a little deeper over there. Try the provoke, see how that does. Then we'll switch to the lipless crankbait. See how that does. Man, I feel like the provoke feels a lot better on this ESP rod. This 6.9. Yeah, no, 6.11 medium. Medium moderate. Yeah. Oh, it definitely works better too. I can like really, it looks like I'm really twitching it, but it's barely, it's doing what it's supposed to do. I might have to get a bait caster for this. Probably Justin Royal's new heater series rod will do the trick. All right, I'm gonna cast over there to that side. See if there's anything over there. All right, let's switch to lipless. So we are using the Quake 70 today, and I think this color is boiled crawfish or wild, or that could be that lava color too. I don't know. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments which one it is. They're so similar, but there's subtle differences. Man, that cast a country mile. Let that sink to the bottom, and then we're gonna give it like, we're just gonna give it twitches. Reel in a bit, twitch. Reel in a bit, twitch. See what that does for us. Honestly, it's kind of like a jig. This is one way I would fish a jig. Some people call this like a yo-yo. But you're kind of just like ripping it out of the grass down there. And there's plenty of grass. There's like two dudes at the point that we want to fish, just like throwing rocks at the ice. Weirdos. At least they're outside, enjoying the sun. That's why we're here. Freaking 65 degrees and we had open water in early March. This is just unheard of. How does that have no grass on it? That is impressive. And I was down there. Okay, if I don't have any grass, I'm not down there low enough. Let that thing sink. I'm gonna cast where I think the edge of the tree is. Hopefully not lose my A-rig. I'm losing my A-rig today already. I know. That's a lot of stuff going on. Wouldn't it be something if we got a fish in March? I have never gotten a fish in March. Actually, I don't know. Maybe at the very end of March. Man, that A-rig looks good with those Divine swim jigs on there. Oh gosh. A-rig in the trees. Yep, that's exactly what you want. I'm gonna have to go down there. Oh, oh, oh. Come on. Relieve the pressure. Ow. Yep, going down.
You got some?
No. I got a tree. At least it's on the bank.
How many trees did you catch in March? I mean, really?
Really? Zero.
That's like probably your first March tree fish.
I know. I'm counting it. It's a fish.
March 5th, 3
There we go. Early bass fishing pays off with the tree. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. No kidding. Yep. The first snag of the season. There we go. That is Instagram gold. Yeah. Ice fishing with the A-rig. No way. You feel head shakes. Uh-oh. What the heck's down there? There's usually nothing down there.
I don't.
What is it?
I don't usually hit on sticks, you know, especially not when I fish the spot.
I didn't think there was sticks down there.
That was weird. I mean, like.
Even like.
I went for the set. I heard the drive.
Yeah.
You know, so.
So something.
I don't know. Another big beefy pike down here.
Big beefy pike, catfish.
I thought I got a hook and I kind of think so.
Yeah. Oh, I got so excited. Tied on that. Oh, tying on the Black Magic Curve 55 meter diver. See how this does. Well, there was a little excitement there.
How's that?
From your hook set there.
My attempt to catch a tree?
Yes. I don't know, it could have been something.
I'm not disagreeing. But
shoot, it could have been one of the 40-pound carp down there.
it could have been.
And it just went the other way. It was like
I think the hook didn't pull out any. I really think I just got excited on the stick or something. Got some long grass maybe from last year and just kind of, you know.
clumped up down there.
And then the minute I relaxed on it, it loosened up enough I can pull through. All these things are possible.
Too many variables. I'm calling it a fish 10-pounder.
Right, there you go. I think I survived.
It's the only ice I need to be on right now.
Yeah.
Is the ice that has ground underneath it. Well, everybody, we are done fishing for today. Sorry, no fish catches, but hopefully it was entertaining. Listen to us joke and you know, be kind of extremely surprised that we even have open water. I think this is some of the probably some of the only bits of open water we have to fish traditionally for, you know, bass fishing without being on the ice. You know, it's kind of incredible this early in March. I don't know how we got so lucky, but I feel like something bad's gonna happen soon. So hopefully that doesn't freeze back over and we're stuck in an ice age again. But yeah, if you guys like this video, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and leave me a comment, tell me what you liked and what you didn't like. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Hopefully we will actually be catching fish. That would be really cool. Don't forget to explore for fish.
Can't say I'm mad, this isn't a take.